Hello everyone. If you think your channel has been shadow banned, stick around. I will show you how to fix that and get your visibility back on track. First, make sure you're actually shadow banned. Check your video analytics and notice if your views, likes, and comments have dropped drastically. You can also ask friends to search for your videos incognito and see if they show up. Next, check whether you have violated YouTube's community guidelines. Review your recent videos and content to ensure they don't contain restricted or inappropriate material. Now, if you find issues, edit or remove the content that may have caused the shadow ban. Make sure future content follows YouTube's guidelines carefully, avoiding clickbait titles or inappropriate tags. Now, if the ban persists, contact YouTube support for assistance. You can submit an appeal if you believe your content was unfairly targeted. And that is how you remove a shadow ban on YouTube. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.